So you've done the self-help and you've dipped into some personal development, but now you ask the question, now what? What can you do? Well, if you want to escape the apathy, step right this way. So twice a year, I teach a course called Autonomy. It's a 12-week personal development and training course. What people get out of it is multifaceted. There's curriculum, there's exercises, there's camaraderie, you make new friends. There's a whole lot of interesting things. We're going to hear a sample from the course right now, and let's take a look at the value these students are getting. All right, so where you got stuck, it's very unstuckable. Like as soon as you said it, the picture showed up in my brain. I'm like, oh, here's what it looks like. Because your webpage isn't about you. It's about how you're their Obi-Wan Kenobi and you can help them over these goals. So the pictures I see of you on the website are like over the shoulder as you're helping somebody, as you're coaching somebody, as you're training somebody. So it doesn't need to be you on the page, you know, it needs to be you helping, like doing the thing that you're advertising that you do. That's all. It just needs to be form and function. And that whole, how you see everyone else do it, that got in front of you and you're like, I can't do that. That doesn't feel right. And I stop right here. And I'm embarrassed and I won't even tell Rich or the class where I got stopped, but look how long it took you to get unstopped. You're like, oh, I get it. You're not the hero of the page. Your clients are the heroes and you're the person who can help them take those steps consistently to achieve those goals. And you specialize in training deaf athletes, for which at all the colleges across the country, like there's some near you. Right?
Yeah.
And then you want to get better at sign language, take that refresher course, but this summer offer us a sign language course that you offer to Autonomy graduates. There are people right here who are like, I'd like to know some sign language. And they would sit in and audit your course while you create it. And then you have an asset, a digital asset that you can put out there. And now you can help deaf clients around the world with a digital asset that comes from, you doing the work and getting past those excuses.
Wow, Rich, you're good.
I practice.
Wow, yes, it's a matter of perspective, and I just couldn't get it on my own, and I appreciate that, man. This was great. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome, but I wouldn't be really helping you out if we don't formulate a goal together, and I get you to agree to it, and then I check in with you later, right? So are you registered for the sign language refresher course?
Yeah,
right.
I've been in it. Yep.
All right. So then the next would be, we need to get some photos of you helping train some people, right? What if you did a volunteer free event, like, grand opening type thing, free personal training, and do it for a couple weekends someplace and go someplace where you can have a symbiotic relationship. They let you use the space. You help some people through some basics to get started, these sort of things. And you could get, some photographs of you helping people finish your website, take that offer to market. But also, I'm telling you, that sign language course that you can produce this summer, that could be another good commitment. So choose whatever you want, but you must choose wisely and take action.
Yeah, those are such great ideas, Rich. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Clarity. Thank you. Yes, I'm on it.
All right. So I'm not going to pressure you to make a decision in front of the group, but give it some thought.
Yes.
And you can even put it in class chat later today. Hey, I'm going to do X by Y date. Right. And then people feel like, I'm going to check in and see how he's doing and what obstacles there are, because they can be removed much more easily than we think a lot of times.
Everyone's doing some kind of self-help these days, and you can find a million self-help courses out there. Most other courses out there are hosting lectures. They're hosting videos. They're maybe even doing Q&As. And these are great starting points to encourage learning. But at Autonomy, we believe that hands-on practice is the best way to really lock in what we're learning. There's no better way to gain confidence and mastery than through action. After each lecture, we practice the concepts we've learned with other students, giving and receiving feedback in a non-judgmental environment. The result is mastery of concepts like entrepreneurship, ethical sales, and self-reliance in an environment that directly translates to the real world. Plus, you make connections with other like-minded individuals who are learning right alongside you, and you have a lifetime membership in the community. The Autonomy course with Richard Grove equips you with confidence, competence, and courage in a world filled with confusion and noise. You can learn more at getautonomy.info. We'll see you there.